Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Ridge neighborhood located within the Ever Range community in Jacksonville, Florida. In this video, we're going to be touring a model home by Dream Finders. This is the Belmont floor plan. This 3-story townhome features 3 to 4 bedrooms depending on the structural options, 3.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,378 square feet. Now all of the townhomes will feature a nice front porch as noted here, where you can have a sitting area. All of the garages will be rear loading, so they'll be located behind the townhome. Here we are in the foyer located on the first floor. The first floor will feature 9-foot ceilings. The second floor will feature 10-foot ceilings, and then the third floor will feature 9-foot ceilings. And here on the first floor is bedroom 4. And this bedroom is approximately 11 feet with 3 inches by 12 feet 9 inches. Now be sure to check out my other video on the other model home here in the Ridge neighborhood within Ever Range community. The 4th bedroom will be staged as an office. So this bedroom here is great for guests or an office. It'll feature a full bathroom next to the bedroom. Here we have a walk-in shower. And then a linen closet. Alright, and then we'll take a quick look at the garage here. This is a 2-car garage located at the back of the townhome. Alright, let's continue our tour. Going up to the 2nd floor. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Here on my channel, I feature new construction, model homes, and community tours. If you'd like to work together, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email, and I'd love to connect. All right, so here on the 2nd floor is the living room, kitchen, and dining room. And then there will also be a balcony that we'll take a look at, and a powder room over here. That was the powder room. Next is the living room or family room. The approximate dimensions for this area here are 13 feet with 6 inches by 21 feet 4 inches. All right, and then next is the pantry. Now there is opportunity to purchase a quick move-in townhome here in the Ridge neighborhood. So if your time frame works better with a townhome that has been completed or already under construction, we can go over the inventory and then the finishes and structural options that are included as well. This kitchen features the gourmet kitchen layout where you'll have the vent above the cooktop and then the microwave oven combo. This kitchen also features the stacked cabinet. Now each quick move-in townhome will feature different design options and structural options. We can go over that information with the builder's agent. Now, I do not work for Dream Finders Homes, but as your realtor, I can assist you throughout the new construction process. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email. All right, this is the dining area. And this floor plan features a balcony here. All right, so here we are in the balcony. And the balcony is approximately 13 feet with 8 inches by 6 feet 11 inches. You can see the next building going up there of townhomes. Here is the entrance to the community. So that was the balcony. Now the dimensions for the dining room are approximately 19 feet by 10 feet 5 inches. We're gonna head now up to the third floor where there's the primary bedroom as well as the laundry room. In the standard Belmont floor plan, there's also bedrooms 2 and 3. This one features the structural option for the larger bedroom 2, and I'll show you in one moment. Let's take a look here at the laundry room. All right, and then here's the hallway, primary bedroom. We'll take a look in a moment. Here's the mechanical room. This is the linen closet. All right, and then bedroom 2 straight ahead. So they merged the space for bedrooms 2 and 3 together and made a larger bedroom 2 with an ensuite bathroom. The approximate dimensions for this structural option, the bedroom would be 13 feet by 12 feet 3 inches. Here's the ensuite bathroom. Shower tub combo. And there is a walk-in closet as well. All right, let's head over to the primary bedroom. Here we are at the hall again, stairs. Now we're entering the primary bedroom. Now 9-foot ceiling height here. And the dimensions for the primary bedroom are approximately 11 feet with 8 inches by 15 feet 5 inches. Here's the walk-in closet. Features a window. And then let's take a look at the primary bathroom. Okay, so 2 sinks. Features quartz countertops. And here is the walk-in shower and water closet over here. And then we're back into the hallway. Here in the Ridge neighborhood, there's going to be 90 home sites, so 90 townhomes. If you're interested in knowing more about the townhomes here in the Ridge by Dreamfinders Homes, the Herron Range community, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.